Hello and welcome to this instalment of Write Your Future. I'm Ruth.
I'm Lara. In this video, we're continuing our journey into the world of structure.
As usual, these tips are designed to help improve your writing practices, but feel free to adapt them in a way that works for you.
Tip number 1, create a plot tree. Now, some people try to squash a trilogy into one short story, and some people write a 40-page epic poem about absolutely nothing at all. So you need to make sure you've got enough events to be interesting, but not so many it's confusing.
Sometimes it helps to create a plot tree, to organise all of your plots and subplots, making sure that they're relevant, fleshed out, they're not overwhelming, and most importantly, you tie everything up.
Take an A3 or an A4 piece of paper and visualise your story. Literally map it out as a type of decision tree, mind map, or flowchart. What ripples does your plot and each subplot create? Do you have enough? Are they varied? No one wants to read the same arc 12 times. How do they connect and inform one another? What are the consequences and how are each one resolved?
Tip number 2 is the Empire Strikes Back of tips. Write a logline and make a pitch. Loglines are super short summaries. They're 1 or 2 sentences, often used to sell TV shows or films. Essentially, it's the classic, you have 1 minute to sell me your idea. Go.
Each logline is different, but they should look a little something like this. When inciting incident occurs, protagonist undertakes action, challenging antagonist to goal. And it looks easy, but writing a logline can actually be quite a difficult task. It encourages you to really focus on the plot's nitty-gritty, making you outline the bare bones of your story and consider precisely what the key elements are. What would someone want to know if they picked up your work?
So we hope you found these tips useful, and if you have any ideas on how to structure your work, we'd love to hear them in the comments below. In the meantime, don't forget to check out the LLA social media to keep up to date with all the latest.